In this video, I will show you how you can change the number of times that a call will ring until it stops ringing. So, for instance, this button, the default is always 1. So if I press the button, it's going to ring once and the information will stay showing until it's either cancelled or cleared. Now, if I want to change that to ring, let's say 3 times, I'll press enter on the remote to switch it on. I'll press function. Once it shows me fun 1, I will change that 1 to a 5. And the second one I change to a 3. Once it shows me fun 5-3, I will press enter. And this one I will now change to a 3. So you'll just use the right key. And once it's on 3, I'll press confirm. It will tell me setting success. So I'll press function until I exit and show the home screen. And now if I press the button, it will ring 3 times. And then it will show until I cancel it or clear it. Now this is also how you set the screen to continuously ring until a cancel button is pressed. So in order to do that, you'll go to function 5-3 and you will press enter and you change this to a 6. If it's on 6, it means it will continuously ring. Change that to a 6, enter. If it's on a 6, it means it will continuously keep ringing until a cancel button is pressed to clear that call. So I'll press the call button and it's just not going to stop ringing until someone comes and presses the cancel. So that is how you change the number of times your display panel will ring when a call button is pressed. Thank you very much for watching.